All right, so we already got the bolts off, or the nuts off these. Right there. We had to use heat. It was rusted on there pretty bad. Carl,
yeah.
You want to grab the other end of this thing so we don't die?
Nope. What? Oh, you're probably gonna have to drive them up. You expect me to lift out?
I did.
Oh, it looks like He-Man?
Yeah, just lift straight up.
No.
We don't need no left tapping. Yep, it's going.
Really?
No, grab a hammer. Right?
No.
Must have got the heavy end.
I got the heavy end.
Imagine that.
Oops.
Yeah, those leaves aren't heavy.
Wow, something sharp. Something sharp underneath there.
All of it.
Probably metal.
Let's do this side.
See that? There's no threads. Therefore, there's no threads left in there, and it ain't coming off.
Yeah, that U-bolt's bad. You, but. Freaking pinky hurts.
You got a good one.
Yeah. I don't know what it was, but.
It's a long way from your heart. You'll be all right.
Or heart. Alright. Let's try and get this on camera.
You think that's gonna stop me, do you?
Did I hit you?
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
This ain't your fault.
Did it just come out of this thing? It's all good.
That's gonna leave a mark.
What did it hit you? Hand or leg?
Spurs them up. You've already smashed the hand, elbow me in the head. What's next? About to get in the face.
Hey, you should go sit back on your chair before you get hurt. Alright, that's all. You got that in?
Oh yeah, sure, I got it.
How did I get my end? That's straight now. But that weld is cracked. Right in there. So I'm going to put a passer on all that. This side is straight. Oh, that's because I already did all that. Okay. Seal's out, it's leaking. I throw this in the van and See how much one of these new beaver tails are going to cost me. Okay, so I'm not going to try and talk too much. I'm going to keep this short, sweet, and simple. We left off with me pulling off these beaver tails because they're all broken and cracked. The next thing to do was weld them up. However, I did find that I am missing this whole piece all the way underneath it to weld up. I don't have it. So I went to Hunter's to get a new one of those, and holy crap, are they expensive. Now, this little guy right here, this little beaver tail, they have them in stock off the new trucks. The new trucks would work right fine with this. I took the measurements, lined everything up, it's perfect. $550 a pop. I need 4 of them, so I don't have to weld them, because I don't really feel like welding them. But, so that's going to be on hold for right now. I got too much shit going on to come up with $2,200 worth of beaver tails for these rear ends. Next thing I noticed was the rear ends are leaking everywhere. So I'm going to just do seal kits for both rear ends and get them completely done. That should be a lot more reasonable than that stuff. So that'll give me still something to do and tinker with for the time being, because that's just ridiculous. So that's where I'm at with the rear ends. They're going to be on hold for a little bit, but like I said, we'll probably do the seals, just something to keep tinkering with it. Don't give up. Do something little. Okay, next thing, the Dodge review. Everybody keeps asking me about that goddamn Dodge review. Okay, I'll make it short, sweet, and simple as well. If you look over here, when I get there, where it always sits, it's not here. Okay, it's gone. I didn't sell it, I still have it. But to answer the question, the best as I can explain it is, the salt kills it. The salt kills everything here. I have no doors, I have no fenders, I have no bed, I have nothing. That thing was rust free for 3 years. I use it in the winter time 6-8 times a winter. My fenders got bubbles in them, my bed sides get bubbled up, my doors are completely rotted from the bottom. We did cabs and rocker panels with heavier steel than normal last year, which is still good. Undercoated it completely till it was dripping. I did it myself, and it's all rotted away. Motor's fine. Transmission, it's getting worked on right now as well. I believe it has a bad throwout bearing. That's what the truck's at now, is getting the transmission worked on. It winds really bad in first and second gear. So I think it's a throwout bearing, but they're going to go through the entire transmission, make sure it's up to good stuff. The flywheel is also bad. I'm missing teeth on it. It's making it hard to start for the truck to catch a tooth to get it to spin over. So once that's done, I also ordered a 5-inch straight pipe stainless steel exhaust for it. So once that's all done, it goes right from there to the body shop. I bought a brand new bed, well, not brand new, it's a 19-year-old bed from Arizona. Now for 3 years, our beds rot out here in Pennsylvania. 19 years in Arizona, this is what you get. So if that doesn't explain where I'm getting at with this stuff compared to mine, which it's rotted. I mean, it's just gone. Here's the doors. I got two doors in the front, 2 back doors, 2 fenders. All rust-free parts that just need painted. They're all rust-free, dent-free. Besides the tailgate, it needs like 3 spots fixed and just real little tiny dents. But I plan on not using this truck as much for work. I got enough other vehicles we can use. I'm going to try not to use my truck as often, or at least not in the winter time. I'm done driving in the winter. But to answer your review, the salt kills our stuff here. The motors are fine, the transmissions are fine. You see all the time people taking motors out and put them in other vehicles because they last. I mean, they'll work. If you take care of them, don't beat them up, they'll work. Now my truck's turned up, but I have all the stuff and needs to be turned up. I got a bigger input shaft. I got a double disc clutch on it from South Bend. I mean, we got everything. I got bigger head studs. I got the O-ring gasket inside of the where the head goes. It's built for the power I'm pushing, which is about 52 pound to boost. I'm not saying I beat on it every day, but I have the power if I need it. So hopefully that answered that review. Good truck, just the salt kills everything. It doesn't matter what it is. This truck does not go out in the wintertime, and that's why it's 1957 is still here. I mean, well, and also because it's probably frickin' 1/8-inch plate on the thing everywhere besides this tinny garbage crap now. But hopefully I answered some reviews. I'm going to be, like I said, taking a little bit of break on them rear ends besides doing seals here soon. It's the only thing I can think of to keep going without spending stupid money. I got some friends I know around here that may have some of this stuff. They work on trucks all the time, especially Peterbilt. I'm gonna call them guys up, see if they got anything laying around that'll fit this before I blow stupid money, is what I'm gonna call it. But we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and have a great evening.